This product is really nice and beautiful. I am glad to buy this PRODUCTALL. The features are working. PROPERLYIT was best one than other companies. Best machine at this price. Quick service by Samsung and Amazon as well. Delivered today and get installed within 2 hours. Great. We review after using it for 6 months. First wash was good. Had to wait a bit long, however the washing machine is good and the technician came on the same day. Nice product, customers can trust on this machine. Only one con, machine can't dry the clothes as semi-automatic machine does. Very smooth product. Ideal size, good material as shown in picture, highly recommended. Using it for last 2 months, no issue at all. Value for money at this price range. Go for it. Delivery was on time and installation was quick. Don't forget to buy a stand and cover when you order a new one. Yet another good product from Samsung. Delivery was hassle-free with old LG Exchange, very easy to use and silent. Love to throw clothes in top load which you don't get in front load. Valuable product. Thanks to Amazon and delivery service, and also thanks to Samsung for good service. Very good. Quiet and clean clothes nicely. TGI's BI is the best that you could get for the price. It's fully automatic and fully functional. Super cool. Amazing product. Quick and satisfying delivery. Good post-delivery service by Samsung. Good working of product. Simple handling process. I love it. Till working good. Delivery put pending but again delivered on demand. Everything is good. Just want to point out that my product had a dent when it was delivered. Just that I am an environmentalist, I didn't want to increase further carbon footprint by replacing this product. Had with live with a dent in washing machine. Other than that, you guys know Amazon is cool and this product is worth it. Chill, help others and enjoy a good life. It take extra time but all okay. Easy to use. Satisfying product. Overall a very nice washing machine in this price range, suitable for a family of 3 to 4 people. It is easy to use and the build quality is good. Amazon has a wonderful packing of this product. I am happy to use this. This item purchase only customers review. I did not use it because it is buried under. I hope replacement item receive all well and good. Very good. Super product delivered within 2 days and many of them have written installation has been late for this particular product, but for me on the same day within 2 hours installation people came after registering for installation. Thank you Amazon for safe delivery of product and thank you Samsung F. Different modes of wash, easy operation, low noise and good cleaning power. Also the product is IPX4 certified I think. Value for money and worth every penny if you can buy it at 12,000 rupees in July 2019. Click link in description for more reviews.